Okay, class, something very special is happening today.
What is it? Ooh, Bluey's gonna marry Kenzie. No,
she's not.
You're going to see your buddies.
Hooray!
Now, go to the special place where you meet them.
Yeah! Mia!
Bluey!
Can we build a fairy garden?
Okay, let's go.
Captain!
Mackenzie! Can we play Barky Boats? Okay.
This episode of Bluey is called Barky Boats.
Mia, can I show you my cartwheel?
Go for it. Wow, you've been practicing. Watch mine.
Whoa.
Come on, I'll race you.
Okay.
I'll make the dam. Here's a good one. Oh, yeah, that'll go fast. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Hi, Mia. Oh, hi, Captain. What are you up to? Bluey and I are going to go build a fairy garden. What are you doing? We're playing Barky Boats. Oh, okay. Have fun. Bye. Bye, Mia. Okay, let it go. Woo! Look at it go. Woohoo! Again. Hey, Mackenzie, do you want to help Bluey build a fairy garden? No. Oh, okay.
Let's build it here. This can be the bridge.
These can be the trees.
How old are you?
12.
Wow, can you drive a car?
No, not yet.
When do you start big school?
Next year.
Are you nervous about big school?
No, it's going to be great.
Ooh, can you write words?
Yeah.
Can you write a letter to the fairies?
Yeah, sure. Okay, go for it.
Okay, dear fairies.
Hi.
Ah! Mackenzie, what are you doing here?
He made me come. Explain yourself. Oh, I thought there might be some good bark here for our Barky Boats.
Well, there's not. Now, stop.
I told you. Come on, let's go. Bye.
Ugh, that was close. Okay, dear fairies, Dad bought new grass, but it had ants in it, and he couldn't find the ant powder, and Mum was like, where'd you last have it? And he said,
Oh, look. Do you think this would make a good Barky Boat?
I guess.
Do you want to just quickly give it to Mackenzie?
No.
Come on, Bluey, I'll race you. Keep leading the water build up. Okay. And no running off. Yeah, okay. I don't know what I was thinking. Bye. Ah! Sorry, Mackenzie. What are you doing here?
She made me come.
I thought you might like this Barky Boat. Oh, thanks. That's a good one. It's not that good.
It's gooder than yours.
It's not. I can find a better one. I'll help you. Okay. Won't be
I'll be
long,
right back,
Mackenzie.
Bluey.
Hey.
Aww.
Oh, Bluey, Mackenzie, where are your buddies?
They ran away from us.
Oh, goodness me.
Don't they like us?
Of course they do. But it can be hard being 12 years old sometimes.
What do you mean?
Here, give me those Barky boats. I'll show you something. Go on, hold the water back. There once were two 6-year-old buddies floating around, nice and calm, not a care in the world. They turned 7 years old, then 8 years old, then 9, then 10, then 11, then...
I can't hold it any longer.
Look out!
Wow! Woo! Off they went on a big adventure. Hang on, buddies!
Yeah, hang on, buddies!
They went this way and that way.
Ah! Are they gonna make it?
I don't know. Yay, they made it!
Hooray!
And they lived happily ever after.
Just be patient, children. Your buddies haven't forgotten you.
Okay, Calypso. Maybe there's some bark here. Yeah, there usually is. Ooh, lily pillies. Let's pick some for our buddies. Okay. What's your favorite fruit? Lychees. What's yours? I like mangoes. Are you going to go back to your fairy garden?
No. It's not as much fun without my buddy.
Yeah, same. Do you want to play Barky Boats with me?
Ooh, okay.
We can race our buddies.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh, go, Mia!
Are you nervous about starting high school? A little. Me too. At least we'll be there together.
Go, Captain!
Our buddies!
No, Mia won.
No, she didn't. Captain won.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. We're back.
Hooray!
I'm so sorry, Bluey. I don't know what happened. We were looking for Barky boats. We went down this way and that way and we found some lily pillies. And then I don't know what happened.
That's okay. You made it back.
Come on, Bluey. Let's finish the fairy letter.
Okay. See you, Mackenzie.
See ya, Bluey. Bye. All right, come on. Let's do the biggest step ever. Yeah. Okay, ready, Bluey.
Dear fairies, Dad bought new grass. It had ants. I love my buddy Mia because she can do the splits and she gives me piggybacks.
Oh, I love giving you piggybacks.
Please get the ants out of Dad's grass. And also look after Mia when she goes to big school, even though she isn't scared. And make sure she doesn't forget to come and play with me. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Hug, hug, hug.